Okay, let's close the Visual Basic toolbar if it's still there. Now right click on a toolbar and select Customize, and on the Toolbars tab click New, and let's type My Toolbar as the name and click OK. And now click the Commands tab and let's scroll down to find Macros, and now click on the Custom button and drag it to our new toolbar. We can move this window if we need to. Let's move it underneath our new toolbar, and let's drag our Custom button up and drop it on it. And then now right click on there and select the text and Custom button, and let's rename that Million Up, and then click the Assign Macro button and click on Increase Sales and click the OK button. Now right click the button again and let's select Change Button Image, and we want to select that up arrow symbol, and now right click the button again and select Image and Text, and now we can click Close on the Customize button box. Now select B6. Let's move our toolbar out of the way so we can see it, and select B6 and click the button, and it works. Now I'll right click a toolbar, we can use our new one, select Customize, and let's scroll down and find My Toolbar and click on it, and let's go to the Toolbars tab, click on My Toolbar and delete. OK, and close. Now go to the View menu and Toolbars, and there's Customize again. Let's select it, and on the Commands tab let's select Edit and scroll down to find Paste Values and click on it, and then click the Description button to see what it does, and press the Escape key to clear that window, and now drag the Paste Values button between Paste and Format Painter on the standard toolbar, or somewhere up near there, and now click on the Spell Check button and drag it up and off of the toolbar and drop it. That gets rid of it. Let's drop it up on the top there. Okay, now click on the Cut button and drag it between Auto Sum and Function. You can only do this while the Customize window is open. Now click Close on the Customize window. Now right click on any toolbar again and let's select Customize, and on the Toolbars tab click on Standard Toolbar, that's the one we've been playing with, and click Reset and OK and close. I don't know why I closed it. Let's right click on the toolbar again and open it. Right click and Customize and click New, and let's name that again My Toolbar and OK, and now click the Commands tab and click on File, and let's find Save As and drag that up to the toolbar, and let's click on the Edit section and let's find Delete Rows and Delete Columns, and drag those up and drop them on the toolbar. And then let's click on the insert category and add insert rows and insert columns. That's a toolbar I like to keep. Now drag the toolbar across to the right hand side until it docks there. Now if you grab that handle section at the top, you can drag it back out to the middle of the screen. Now if you close the customize box, it's there permanently until if you right click on a toolbar and select customize, and on the toolbars tab we can go down and select my toolbar and click delete again and OK and close. And now we can close all open spreadsheets, and I see I've still got the Visual Basic Editor open, so we can close that as well.